You've probably seen the ads popping up online, right? Promises of a totally automated, high-income business. Well, today, we're going to crack open one of these models by breaking down the AI Appointment Setter Wealth Manual to see what all the hype is really about. $1,000. This number, it's right at the heart of the whole promise in this manual. It's a massive claim, and it's absolutely designed to get your attention. So it makes you ask the obvious question. $1,000. For what? Okay, and here's where it gets really interesting. We're not talking about a one-time thing here. The claim is $1,000 per day. And the real kicker? You can supposedly do all of this with 0 employees. That is the core pitch, a high-income business that's completely automated. Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? A claim that big, you've got to ask how. I mean, how could a business like this even possibly work? So let's get into the mechanics of it, right? Let's see what this manual is actually proposing. So what is an AI appointment setter anyway? Well, according to the manual, you're not selling software. No, you're selling a service. The idea is that other businesses pay you to have a super sophisticated AI handle all their incoming calls with one specific goal in mind: to book qualified meetings and put them right on their calendars. This breakdown really gets to the core of the whole model. See, on one side, you're providing the tech, the 24/7 AI that handles the calls. But the client, they're not really buying the tech. They're buying the outcome. They are paying you for the results, for the meetings that get scheduled, and the qualified leads that your AI finds for them. That's the crucial difference. So what stops this from just being another one of those annoying robocalls that we all hang up on immediately? Well, the manual's entire argument hinges on this one key phrase: human-level AI. This isn't just an AI that follows a script. The claim is that this AI can actually understand nuance, it can handle pushback, and it can have a conversation that is genuinely convincing. Okay, so how does this thing actually work in practice? The manual breaks it down into 3 simple steps. First, the AI handles the call. Simple enough. But step 2, that's where the supposed magic happens. It actually manages objections. So you know all those "I'm not interested" or "let me think about it" responses. The AI is trained to navigate all of that. And if it's successful, it moves on to step 3. It schedules the meeting directly on the calendar. Done. So, because you have this whole process automated from start to finish, it leads you right to the core proposition of the manual: building a profitable company that needs exactly 0 employees. And this is a really vital distinction to make. You're not just reselling some software license. You're a service provider. Your client is paying you for the final product, which is a booked appointment. The AI, that's just the tool you use to get the job done. In a way, it becomes your 24/7 invisible workforce that never, ever calls in sick. So this is really the end game that the manual is selling you on. The idea is that just one person, armed with this AI tool, can theoretically handle multiple clients at the same time. This model promises that huge income potential, but without all the headaches that come with managing a team. It's all about leverage, right? Using technology to multiply your own efforts. And all this brings us to a much bigger question. I mean, let's step back for a second. Whether this specific model works for everybody or not, it points to a fascinating trend. As these AI tools get more and more powerful and easier for anyone to use, are we on the verge of a whole new era of entrepreneurship? An era where a single person can build and scale a business to a level that used to require a whole team? It's a pretty powerful idea, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it all plays out.